Let me show you how to buy stocks on Robinhood. If you already verified your ID and have already linked your accounts, you can easily transfer money and then buy stocks through the brokerage of Robinhood. Now to do or buy a stock, you need to first of all search up the stock that you're trying to buy. If you are inside of the home page, which is this icon on the bottom left, and if you scroll down, you can view all of the stocks that you can buy. If you know the name of a particular stock, you can also search for it on this search bar. For this video, I'm just gonna select Microsoft. Now once you're inside of the screen of the stock that you're trying to buy, you'll be able to see the button called trade, which you should be able to see on the bottom right. Currently mine is grayed off. If your application is verified and your ID is verified, you'll be able to see this green button which says trade. Just tap on the trade button and then tap on buy. Once you tap on the buy button, it's going to take you to this screen where you can now add in the amount of dollars that you want to purchase this particular stock. Now before you buy stocks, you'll need to make sure that you know the type of orders that you can make. To look at the orders that you can make, tap on the dollar option that is on the top right. By default, the type of order will be set to market order, as you can see on the top, which means this stock is going to be bought at the price this current stock is trading at. But if you don't want to do that and you want to add in your custom amount, you can tap on the dollar that is on the top right, and here is going to show you a different types of orders that you can place. So under conditional orders, you can see a bunch of orders that you can make. One of the most popular orders apart from the market order is the limit order. Limit order allows you to buy at a cheaper price, meaning if that particular stock trails down and hits your limit order, your order will be instantly placed. So depending upon which type of order you need, you can select the order type. Once you selected the order type, just type in the amount of dollars that you want to spend for this particular order and then just tap on the review button. So that was the short video about the way that you buy stocks inside of Robinhood. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.